Police say 2 men ran from an Amazon Fresh in Naperville, Illinois after allegedly stealing more than $2,360 worth of merchandise. One escaped in a Penske truck, the other wasn't so fortunate.
Got him! Hey! Hands up!
No, the audio didn't drop out there, but to avoid making YouTube angry, I muted it. The police officer really did just call the suspect an F-head.
Hands up right now! Hands up! Behind your back! Hands behind your back now!
On the ground. On the ground.
On the ground now.
I'm on the ground.
Get on the ground. Hands behind your back, bro. Hands behind your back, bro. Hands behind your back, bro.
I can't.
Why not? Hands behind your back. Come on, come on. I ain't trying to hurt you, bro. Hands behind your back. Come on. There's another one out there.
All on your side. Okay.
I really got one in custody right now. Where's the other guy at? Where'd he go?
Truck.
He's in the truck?
Gone.
He's gone? Yeah, I'm ready to cut. I'm here with him.
Yeah, it's going to be a smaller U-Haul van. Got out on the Naper northbound. It's parked on the east side of the building. Let's go.
Now I'm putting your cash back in here, alright? Any weapons on you? I should know. Any needles? Hey, that shit, okay? Nothing, alright. You guys went to the other Amazon yesterday, right? Got a little bit there yesterday? Sure about that?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna say if you get one in custody, the vehicle didn't flee. I don't have any description on it.
Your guy must have cut through the buildings. Is that where you went?
I don't know if that was him or not.
No, he went this way.
Okay. Yeah, guy dropped a cart in there, took off north, and I lost him from there.
That's he went around, got in that van.
Okay.
That van was there. I didn't see anybody in when I first pulled in.
Was that me? 10-9?
I didn't see.
Was that for 3? No, he got into a vehicle and fled northbound, Naper.
The police report talks about 2 carts of items that were not paid for. Whilst I cannot be sure, these could be the carts right here. The value of those carts was supposedly $2,360.08 and described as various alcohol bottles and food. Whilst not every item is listed, what is listed is $185.96 worth of Hennessy Cognac, $173.96 worth of Patron Silver, and $207.96 worth of Patron Tequila.
You put stuff back in the pocket.
Yeah. Do we have enough for an Isburn?
I mean, we could probably get the plate off of my car pulling in,
Okay.
but I don't know what it is right now.
31 cents.
Pipe was in the pocket. Is there anything else on you I gotta worry about? Okay. Yes. I hold all that stuff out. Don't let them have any of that.
No.
That would be good. Chill, man. Wait, you gotta chill for a minute, all right?
It was like on the side here, I believe.
Park on the side, back in. I didn't see anybody when I first pulled in. It might be on my in-car plate, but it's gonna be a rental. So the guy he chased on foot went through. probably went around, got in the van, and took off. He was running after the van, trying to get in it.
So yeah, pulled up, guy at a shopping cart, kind of getting away from me. Went down this little alley here, I got on foot, chased him, and he dropped the cart and I lost him on the back here. Must have gotten in that car and then took off. And this guy was just running. He was going
separate from the other guy?
Yeah.
The other guy got out?
Yeah, he was walking this way. I couldn't tell who was yelling for who, and I didn't even know there was a cut through there. That's when you just.
I honestly had no idea there was a cut through myself. You want me to take him and then y'all follow up here, or you want me to vice versa?
Yeah, however you want to work it.
Okay, I'll take him.
Hey,
Let me go
my
grab
kids,
his
bro.
ID.
And I'll let him know about it.
I believe this to be the pipe mentioned in the police paperwork. It's listed as a pipe with residue believed to be from crack cocaine. They booked the suspect on a misdemeanor drug paraphernalia charge. However, the pipe later tested negative for drugs.
Alright, it's audio and video recorder back here, alright? Just take a seat there.
And then slide your butt down, watch your head going in there. Okay? While you're in the car, take an audio and video recording. Okay?
I'll see actually in here, because I'm sure they're all connected as far as the loss prevention, and see if I can get the loss prevention to get them to send me an image just to see if he matches at all with the person that we had.
Yeah, it should have. I don't know if I had. Oh, it should catch it though. When I pulled up, I saw him coming. I think it was like I said, I saw the shopping cart. I didn't really get a good description. I was just focused on getting out and chasing him, but my car should have the camera of him, and then you getting him too over there.
Yeah, because mine will have. By the time I hit this, I was already trying to run and do everything else at the same time.
Yeah. So I thought there was only one guy. I thought you were chasing the same. I thought he came back around this side.
You disappeared. I couldn't see behind your car.
Yeah.
Where I'm at, I'm like, how the north? I'm like, how the hell are you running north?
Right.
I didn't know there was
And
a cut through.
these are probably the same dudes from yesterday.
We just walked around.
They do this everywhere,
Yeah,
so
okay.
I don't know if this is going to be the same image of the person since you said there was a second guy that was in the store.
Right.
But we can see if they can actually extradite their process of
Just want it noted.
It might help.
That you caught or Worth? Oh, it's
So
noted.
he intercepted. So he was going this way, and I came around this way, and we sandwiched the guy. But I was chasing another
That's a
guy.
tough sandwich.
I was chasing another. It wasn't even him. Another guy down this alley. And I thought
Do
he
we-
caught him, but
Do
it
you
was
think
this
we
guy.
have enough for an ISPERN?
He might have the plate on his dash.
Because I was going to come in here, and then I looped around and went back. And there was the U-Haul
Probably the
back
same
in.
people from
Yeah,
you.
I'll go check inside with, their people, see if they got any other information.
So you know they. But I
there a
want
way
to
for us to
confirm what they want to do.
I mean, there's
with all that.
a million cameras in the joint.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, they'll
Yeah,
have a
but they
visual.
can't get it tonight.
No.
Okay.
I'll see if there's like a.
Do you have someone in
So this
custody
guy,
here?
this guy ditched the cart and just ran and left it rolling. And then I think the Amazon folks ran and grabbed it.
Then the other
Okay.
guy ditched the cart when I was chasing him. I don't know how I lost that. He must have took. I was running pretty quick through that alley.
I didn't even see you disappear. I saw you talk to them, and then you were gone. And I'm like, I don't know where the hell you went.
Where do you think you jumped into the car at?
So
So
that motherfucker must have been.
cut through here and then around. The U-Haul van parked on the opposite.
From my research, it seems the person who fled in the truck was not caught. As with most of our cases, we don't have a confirmed final outcome. Court records for cases like this are not always available. Please let me know what you thought in a comment.